Hello everyone, welcome to English and Technology. My name is Toluwani. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create um, how you can convert your PowerPoint presentation to become a video. It's very simple and easy. I'm using these three slides here, okay? You can see my slide 1, you can see my slide 2, and if you love these beautiful fancy slates and shapes, you can just search for them in my video, okay, in my channel right here. I have done some videos, fantastic, in such a way that you will learn everything you need to know on how to create such beautiful fancy shapes and slides like this, and you will learn and love them right here in my channel. Just subscribe so you can get more from me. All right, so now if you have done your presentation and you want to convert them to video, it's very simple and easy. For me right here, I have added animation to my shapes and everything that I have in on each slide. So this means animation means the way I want the display to come in or exit. Okay, so now I can just quickly play this for you to see. So this is the animation for slide 1. You can see that I'm not touching anything, it's just playing by itself. You can see that. All right, that's that. It's going to turn to black. Boom. And you can quickly just have a quick look at the animation for slide 2. Watch your screen. Look at that. You can see the slates as they are flying in with the characters. Okay, so you can do something beautiful like this as well if you can just search for the videos on this right here in my channel. So now if you have added animations or you are done, your presentation is ready, you just want your presentation to appear like a video so you don't stress yourself. It's easy. Just come up here, watch, hit the file, then you see save. No, you see save as. Yes, save as. Save as, then save it wherever you want. I'm saving mine in on my desktop. Okay, now by default you see save as type as PowerPoint presentation. Hit this and change it to MPEG-4 video. So the save as type should be MPEG-4 video, and you hit the save. So while the saving is going on, okay, so while the saving is going on, you see this conversion. All right, so this is creating video. That means it's changing this presentation to become an MP4. You can see that right here. So this whole stuff has to be filled up. All right, so once this is done, I'm going to play the video for you to see and have a look at the way it is. The conversion is still going on. You can see the pane is being filled up now. It's done. You can see that it's no more there, so the conversion is done. So I'm gonna play the video for you now, just for you to see and have a look at the way it is. Okay, that's the video there. You can see that. Can you see that slide 2 playing right now, and that's slide 3. Now everything is just in this MP4 video. That is it. All right, so I want to believe that you've learned. I want to believe that you have learned. Please, can you just hit the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more videos about technology, simple technologies actually, and English studies as well. Thank you.